Hello and welcome back to another episode of the Rebel Rant Series podcast, where we talk about everything from tech to business and everything in between. I'm your host, Aquias, and in today's episode, we're gonna dive deep into the world of coding and programming. As always, you can listen to me on Spotify, Apple Podcasts, Amazon Music, Google Podcasts, and now you can watch me on YouTube with never before seen videos of my journey. So be sure to subscribe to my channel and follow me on Twitter, TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook to stay updated. I'm a self-taught programmer and I love to code using Python. As a self-taught coder, I have found that coding has changed my life in many ways. It has opened up career opportunities, allowed me to develop new skills, and has even helped me in my personal life. However, everyone has their own preference, and in this episode, we'll talk about why coding and programming is an essential skill in today's world, how to get started, and what you can achieve by learning to code. Let's start with why coding and programming is important. In this digital age, everything is interconnected and controlled by software. From your smartphones to your cars, from your home appliances to your favorite video games, all are created and controlled by software. In short, we live in a world dominated by software, and to succeed in this world, we need to know how to code and program. Now, the question is, how to get started? The answer is simple, just start coding. There are plenty of resources available online that can help you get started with coding. Start with the basics like HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, and then move on to more advanced languages like Python, Java, and C++. But remember, coding is not just about learning a language. It's also about solving problems and creating solutions that are both efficient and elegant. Finally, let's talk about what you can achieve by learning to code. The possibilities are endless. You can build websites, mobile apps, video games, a startup, or as a freelancer. Learning to code can open up a world of opportunities for you. And that's it for today's episode. I hope you enjoyed this discussion on coding and programming. If you have any questions or want to share your own coding journey, feel free to reach out to me on Twitter, TikTok, Instagram, or Facebook. And don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for never before seen videos of my journey. Until next time, keep coding and keep exploring. Thanks for listening to the Rebel Rant series. See you next time.